Guess who's back? It feels so good to be back. The sun is back. I'm back. How are you guys doing anyway? I hope all of you guys are doing well, and yeah, here we go. Another mission around Barcelona. Hola guys, perdón. Estoy grabando un video sacando fotos a gente desconocida para mi canal de YouTube. Y me gusta tu look, Kiss.
¿Sí?
Sí?
Я тоже фотограф.
А, серьезно? Класс.
Серьезно?
Окей, давай. Новой Зеландии.
Oh, wow.
It's Russia?
We're from Russia.
From Russia, cool. Okay, perfect. So, do you guys want one together or separate? Choo-choo. Yeah, perfect. Yes, perfect.
Perdona, ¿es influencer?
Huh?
¿Es influencer? Is she an
No.
influencer? No, okay, thank you.
Вот это классно, да?
Да.
This. You want to try one walking too?
Okay.
Elma? Yeah. Okay, so I think let's do the walking shots here.
Okay.
I'll stand. Yes, it's gonna be dope. Okay, давай. Okay.
Exactly.
Отпуск.
Exactly. August. Not September, actually.
See.
Okay, so thank you very much. Nice
All
to
good
meet
to
you.
meet. Here it is. ¿Cómo está?
You look better in person.
Oh, really? Thank you.
More handsome.
Thank you.
I'm going to work.
Oh, really?
So have you?
You want a picture?
No.
Oh, why not?
I'm shy.
Well, you're gonna see yourself in the video now. Hola, perdón. Estoy grabando un video sacando fotos a gente desconocida y me gusta tu look. Si quieres una foto y
Bueno, como
te
quieras.
mando. Sí.
Venga.
Ok.
Con este aire ahora.
Pues aire de modelos.
Sí, bueno, de modelo,
Sí.
de modelo de mi casa.
O si quieres, probamos aquí. Hay como un hurricane, ¿no?
Sí, un poco.
Sí.
Un poco. ¿De dónde eres?
Nueva Zelanda.
Ah,
Sí,
muy
¿y tú?
bien. De aquí, de Barcelona.
Ah, güey. Perfect. Y una más probamos aquí con esto.
¿Aquí en medio?
Yep. Yes, perfect. I love that. Stay like that. And one more. Close up. Yes, do that again. Una más así con la cabeza así. That looks super nice. Yeah. Mira,
Ah, qué chulas.
son súper chulas. Oh.
Qué guay. Sí, sí, muy
That's
chulas.
like a model. Esta también, ¿no?
Sí, son muy chulas.
Yeah.
Sí, muy chulas, muy chulas.
Perfect. Yes.
Bye.
Ciao. Hey, you guys. Before you go, you want to get a picture together? I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel, taking pictures of strangers, so it could look cool. Before you get lost. Nah, I'm just kidding. Just yes, put the mask away. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Let me just wait for her to leave. Okay, one more like this, guys. Send them to you if you want.
Yeah.
Sweet. Take a picture of that, and then just message me on Instagram, and I'll send you guys the pictures. Okay, enjoy, ladies.
Only speak English.
Okay, perfect. Video taking pictures of strangers today, and I like your look.
Thank you.
And there's like, if you want a portrait, there's a really cool lane here if you want to do one.
Okay, why not?
See?
Yeah.
Nice.
Are you from here?
New Zealand.
New Zealand, okay.
And you?
You're from vacation?
No, I live here.
Oh, you live here?
Sí.
I'm from Switzerland.
Oh, cool. I actually have some like friends from Russia who just came over from Switzerland, so
Oh, really?
to do a shoot.
Nice.
But you look really nice, like really.
I just had like a bicycle.
Oh damn, accident. We'll get some of you like in here too after on our way back,
Yeah.
just with like the sun coming through, and we can try some over here too.
Okay, I'm just not a good model, so.
Man,
we'll
you
have
are.
to teach me.
You are. I can already tell. It really looks so good. Stay there.
Really?
Yes. Okay, yeah, in the camera and a little bit closer to the fence. Oh, actually, just like, yeah, perfect. Let me try and get one with the full outfit. You want to try one with your bag too? Or maybe
Yeah, I
it's...
can do it with the bag. It's
See.
like a bit filled. Along with it.
Just like stuff it in there. I only came down here on chance. Like I was going to go straight to Paso de Gracia.
Oh, really?
And then I was like, I'm going to try and see if anybody's down this laneway.
Yeah.
Because I've always wanted to shoot here. And
I actually
boom,
wanted
there
to
you
do
were.
my nails, and they said they have no free appointments. So I was like,
Okay.
Let me just walk there, like to the main street, like what's the continue here?
Yeah. It all worked out.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, can I get one hand? This one on your hip? Yeah. Okay, so with this one, if you want to stand in here,
Yeah, perfect.
facing me here, and this one, let's do with the glasses again.
With the glasses.
Yep.
Right.
True.
I always like fell into the.
It's like
Yeah.
get stuck. Oh, that looks super nice. Yes, awesome. Come a tiny bit closer.
Yes.
Just there. It's like the sunglasses are not on your the sunglasses. The sun isn't on your face, which is good, but they're
Okay.
like reflecting in the sunglasses,
Oh,
which
okay,
looks really
nice.
cool. Stay like that. I just want some like trees for. Oh my god, it's like a jungle in there. Yeah. Yeah, stay like that. That's awesome. And one more looking at me.
Wow, this one is.
That's
wow.
super nice.
Yeah,
too.
that's super nice.
Like, damn,
With
what
the
is that?
lightning and everything. Wow.
See, what is that? Like on the screen? Like, what is up there? Jesus. Okay, yeah, but that's insane.
That is insane.
Like after that one's been edited, it's gonna be. Okay, nice.
So good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Hey guys, pardon? English.
Yes.
Okay, cool. I'm doing a video. A video for my YouTube channel, taking pictures of strangers.
Okay.
If you guys want a portrait,
Yeah.
and I can send it to you anyway. Just in this lane here, it's like super beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what are we supposed to do?
Just like
Just walk.
pose, be in love. We can
Oh.
try some walking too, but
Okay.
yeah. So we'll try in here, yeah?
Okay.
Where are you guys from?
Poland.
Oh, cool.
Stay with the glasses or take it off?
We'll try some with the glasses and some without.
Okay.
First,
Okay.
yeah. That looks so good already. Okay, awesome, yeah. Let's just wait for these people. Okay, guys, perfect. Looking at each other.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, yes, do that. Stay like that. A little bit further into. They look cool. Just over here, and I'll get this as the backdrop. How long are you guys here for?
Been today.
Oh, no way.
Yes, we've been here for 5 days
Uh-huh.
in Barcelona and 5 days in Tarragona. Up, down.
And first time here?
Yes.
First time, yes, but we come back again.
It's a good city.
Yeah.
Like super nice. Okay, perfect guys. Yeah. Okay guys, and one looking at the camera, yeah, like this. Can you put your arm on her hip too? Yeah. Okay. Check them out, check them out.
Oh wow.
Look at this one. And let's do one more here just by the fence too. Oh, that's a really cool one. Stay like that, guys. Yes, yes. Give me some Romeo and Juliet. Going for the kiss. Now you guys have some dope pictures for your...
Oh, she looks like a really small girl.
Yeah.
But she isn't. But
Yeah.
very nice.
Let's see these ones. Okay.
So it was a really nice day.
Yeah, and enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Okay, see you guys.